Hi, good afternoon or good night. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Firefox cookies, passwords, and cache. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go over to our Firefox browser. You should have this as a shortcut document on your display desktop, or it should be saved on the taskbar below. So I'm going to go over and tap on my Firefox icon. Now it's important that you back up the password that you have on all Firefox sites, because when you delete all these cookies, caches, history, you won't have any way of getting this data back. So now we're on Firefox browser. Then we're going to go to the upper right where we have these three saying slashes, and we're going to tap on it. On tapping on it, we're going to go down to settings. Tap on settings and you'll be taken over to this section. Now on this interface, you're going to go up to the top where it says find in settings. Tap on it and type in clear. Type it in clear, you'll get all these options. Okay, here it says cookies and site data, and again, you have to save all your passwords content before we delete all the cookies, because there's no way of retrieving all the data. So here it says delete cookies and site data when Firefox is closed. We can tap on this and we can go over to clear data. What we're going to do, we're going to tap on clear data in order to delete all those data, passwords, cookies, and cache on Firefox. Here it says clearing all cookies and site data sorted by Firefox may sign you out of websites and remove offline web content. Clearing cache data will not affect your logging, so please store your data or your passwords on a file before we do all of these. Now here we have cookies and site data, cookies and web content, and we're going to tap on clear. That will clear everything. Look at this, another pop-up warning you the importance of saving and being aware that you'll be deleting a lot of content, which is your password, cache, history, and so forth. So selecting clear now will clear all cookies and site data stored by Firefox. This may sign you out of the website and remove offline webcam content. We're going to tap on clear now. Then what we can further do, we can go to history. Firefox, well, you have the option remove history, never remove history, use custom setting for history. I'll just go to remove history to show you. Then we're going to go here and tap on clear history. We further can then go down to where it says data site preference offline, and we can tap this in addition to all the history, browsing history, download history, cookies, active logging for. So these at the bottom are considered to be additional. We're going to tap on it and then there you go. Now what you then have to do is close the Firefox browsers, close them, and refresh your screen. I highly recommend that you restart your computer so that everything is clean properly and efficiently, and that's it. So I hope you've gotten a lot from this tutorial. Do not forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment below. Thank you, and chat with you later. Bye.